If you want to be a solo developer and work on your own, then HTML, CSS, PHP, Laravel, and WordPress will help you a lot in your freelance journey. PHP is a popular server-side scripting language used mainly for web development. It's easy to integrate with HTML and other front-end technologies, which makes it ideal for creating dynamic websites. For solo web developers, PHP is a solid choice because it's widely supported, open source, and has a large community. Many websites, including large platforms like Facebook and Wikipedia, started with PHP. The language is known for its ease of learning and extensive libraries, which means you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you build a feature. Laravel is a PHP framework that streamlines development by providing a structured approach to building web applications. It follows the MVC, Model View Controller, pattern, which helps in organizing code, making it easier to maintain and scale. For solo developers, Laravel is particularly helpful because it comes with built-in tools for routing, authentication, database migrations, and more. The community is strong, so there are many resources, tutorials, and packages available. Tools like Eloquent, for database interaction, and Blade, for templating, make it efficient to create robust web applications. Plus, Laravel's Artisan command line tool can save time on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the unique aspects of your project. WordPress is a content management system, CMS, built on PHP, originally designed for blogging but now powering over 40% of all websites. For solo developers, WordPress is a versatile tool because it offers both simplicity and flexibility. With its vast array of themes and plugins, you can build anything from a simple blog to a complex e-commerce site without starting from scratch. It's highly customizable, with a large ecosystem of plugins for SEO, e-commerce, and social media integration. WordPress's REST API also allows you to integrate it with other applications or even use it as a headless CMS, where WordPress manages content while the front end is built using a modern JavaScript framework. While Laravel gives you complete control over your application structure, WordPress can be quicker for simpler sites because it has so many pre-built options. Laravel is a better fit if you want custom logic or highly unique features. WordPress, however, can help you launch quickly, especially if you're working on content-heavy sites or prototypes. Final thoughts for solo developers: PHP, Laravel, and WordPress all have distinct advantages for solo developers. PHP provides a strong foundation, Laravel offers a structured framework for custom applications, and WordPress enables fast, content-driven development. As a solo developer, learning PHP and Laravel gives you a flexible base for custom work, while understanding WordPress provides tools for rapid, client-focused website creation. Combining all three allows you to adapt based on project needs, helping you to expand your service range as a solo web developer. If you are willing to work in the big companies, then you should learn JavaScript and some of its famous frameworks likes of React, Next.js and Angular. These are widely used for front-end web development. If you want to go for back-end as full-stack web developer, then you should also combine Node.js, Express.js, Nest.js, etc. These are few of them. There are so many JavaScript frameworks which will make you dizzy if you keep counting them. JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages. Every time a web page does more than just sit there and display static information for you to look at, displaying timely content updates, interactive maps, animated 2D, 3D graphics, scrolling video jukeboxes, etc. You can bet that JavaScript is probably involved. It is the third layer of the layer cake of standard web technologies, two of which HTML and CSS. In computer programming, a framework is a foundation over which programmers can build their software. In a similar way, a JavaScript framework provides a base for the convenience of the programmers. It helps by providing a set of pre-written codes so the programmers would not need to start from scratch. Thus, they can use the framework as a structure for the JavaScript program or application they are working on. A JavaScript framework is a very important part of modern web development. There is no one framework for the codes, as every JavaScript framework serves a different purpose. The frameworks are easy to apply as every application or website has some common features. It thus makes the task less laborious and time-taking. Just the way our skeleton provides a framework for the support and shape of our body, a JavaScript framework serves as a basic foundation for a given website or application. Top 10 JavaScript Frameworks. 1. Angular. It is a framework written in TypeScript and developed by Google. It is an open-source web application framework used for developing single-page applications, SPA. Features. It gives you free control over adaptability and helps to meet huge data requirements. With easier DOM manipulation and two-way binding, the incredible tooling provides simple, declarative, and effective templates. Developers can also get instant help and feedback related to Angular with almost every IDE. Angular uses data binding and supports dynamic rendering. It also has an intuitive API and can reuse the code to meet a particular development target. 2. React. React was introduced in 2013 and was developed by Facebook. It is a reusable framework and is used for building interactive user interfaces. Features. Integration of React with any application is more straightforward due to its virtual DOM model. It has reusable components, thus making a website or application easier to develop. Due to its one-way flow of data, it is considered even more intuitive than bidirectional data binding. Users can immediately see the applied changes with the hot reload feature of React. 3. Vue.js. Vue.js is a free, open-source JavaScript framework that is a progressive front-end framework. It is approachable, easy to learn, and can be used for both small and large applications. 4. Ember.js, released in 2011, Ember.js is a free JavaScript framework. From SPAs to enterprise applications, the main objective is to build interactive UIs regardless of the website size. 5. Meteor. Meteor has several uses, and thus it is convenient in various ways. It can be used for back-end development, rendering of the front end, and managing the database and the business logic. It is best for building cross-platform codes. 6. Mithril. It is a modern JavaScript framework used mainly for single-page applications or SPAs. It is also used by open-source platforms. 7. Node.js. It is an open-source runtime environment built to execute JavaScript outside a web browser. 8. Polymer. It is a JavaScript library developed by Google. It is an open-source framework and is well suited for single-page applications. The Polymer has a vast area of application as it supports both one-way and two-way data binding. Its features help developers to create custom elements. 9. Aurelia. This JavaScript framework is useful for developing extensive websites, but it can be difficult to learn. Nowadays, this framework is not as popular as it once used to be. 10. Backbone.js. Backbone JavaScript framework is used in the case of single-page applications. It is popular due to its features which allow complex functions with comparatively lesser codes. However, debugging could be an issue at times. Python is general-purpose language if you want to join web development, data science and machine learning, automation and scripting, software development, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, embedded systems, testing, scientific and numerical computing. Python is a versatile programming language used in a wide range of fields due to its readability, simplicity, and extensive libraries. Here are some of the primary applications. Web development. Python, with frameworks like Django and Flask, is popular for building dynamic websites and backend services. Data science and machine learning. It's widely used in data analysis, visualization, and AI because of powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn. Automation and scripting. Python simplifies repetitive tasks, like automating data entry, file manipulation, and web scraping. Tools like Selenium and Beautiful Soup make automation easy. Software development. Python is often used to develop desktop applications, games, and even prototypes quickly. Libraries like Tkinter and PyQt aid in GUI development. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Python's simplicity and rich library ecosystem make it ideal for writing scripts used in cybersecurity. Embedded systems. Python can be used in IoT and embedded systems with platforms like Raspberry Pi to control hardware. Testing. Python is commonly used for automated testing due to frameworks like PyTest and unit test, which help in creating tests for software reliability. Scientific and numerical computing. Python supports scientific research with tools like SciPy and Matplotlib, used extensively for computational and statistical analysis. Python's flexibility and ease of learning make it a go-to language for both beginners and professionals across various industries.